is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
Un poquito de sol.
Sí. Okay, I'm just gonna...
Oh, better.
leave that. Ciao.
Adiós.
Okay, estamos aquí. We're here.
Bienvenidos a Coyoacán, chicas.
Gracias.
¿Por qué no? Caminamos un poco para acá.
Ajá.
So, okay, we're going to cross the street here.
Uh-huh.
And be careful.
Okay.
And then, oh wow, take a look at
Oh,
that.
look.
I haven't seen this before. Do you want to go inside for a while or?
No, but it looks...
Yeah, perhaps later.
Yeah, okay. There's
Okay.
so much to see here.
Let's keep going.
It's clear Coyoacán is a place to be enjoyed. The colorful architecture, street food, and vendors make walking through the neighborhood a pleasure.
And the important thing about this is that, as you see, this is the year that it was established on, and they've been growing until this point. That they have several places called the same way all over Coyoacán.
But this one is the original.
Yes.
Okay. So we have our coffees. Thank you. I'm feeling so awake now.
Perfect.
And we can go, you were saying, to the museum.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Just follow us, please.
Okay, great.
This way.
Excellent. Yeah, because we need to get a little ejercicio, you know?
Chapolines, Chapolines.
Oh, sí. Let's get some chapulines.
Ah, sí. Mira. Chapolines. Hola, hola. ¿Puede probar?
No?
Gracias.
¿Con limón o ya?
¿Quieres con limón? ¿Podemos
Sí.
ponerle un poquito?
Ya trae.
Ah,
Ya trae.
okay, go ahead.
Oh,
How is it?
it's good.
How does
A
it
nice snack.
taste like?
Like lime. And crunchy.
One that I had tasted like
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, a little like shrimp.
tienes.
Gracias. Preparado, por favor.
¿Chile?
¿Sí?
¿Sal?
Sí. It's making my mouth water. It's so good.
¿Le pongo más limón o está bien así?
Está bien. Muchas gracias. Okay, lime, salt, chili, chamoy, another type of chili salt, all together on sweet mango. So good.
¿Lo vas a compartir con Ale?
The best snacks are on the street. Okay, Sally, you want some?
I would actually, thank you.
Here you go. Oh, there, go ahead.
What the hell?
Yeah, right?
Good.
So good.
Oh, sorry.
I think we can cross now.
Okay, let's cross. Yeah, it's super busy.
If someone wants to come and take a look at the museum, you should buy the tickets in advance, because if not,
We learned that the hard way last time. Yeah.
If you ever find yourself in Coyoacán without a ticket to the Frida Kahlo Museum, another great place to visit is the market, which is where we're heading next.